Dear people, here's another Life Hacks Simple video that will be very entertaining for you to watch. These are experiments and cleaning supplies that show how to get out stains, and I know that you will enjoy it. You can do these at home. For instance, scrub some shaving cream into a stain. Next, we'll take OxyClean and put it on a stained pillow with water and let it bubble and soak about 10 to 20 minutes, and then scrub off. These are really fun to do at home. So you can follow along. I'll keep you company while you watch the video. Here's salt. Spray it first onto a pillow and then let it dry with a fan. And you get freshness out of it. This next one is with headphones. You can wind it around and your headphones have a place to go, and they're all neat in your purse or pocket or wallet. Here's another clip that you can clip your pen or pencil on. Here's one in the car with a rubber band, and voila, you can put your phone in there. These are really fun and simple to use. Here's a paper clip with a necklace, bracelet, and that's how you can put it on. Very clever. Here's a clip with a razor, and we're going to, you know that toothpaste tube? You didn't know how to get it to go up? That's how you can do it. Here's some tape. You'll put a paper clip at the end, and you'll always know where the end is. I always need to do that. Here you can paper clip like a poster together. If you have a lot of paper clips around the house. Here you can draw a circle with a simple paper clip. And here we're going to just use a little pliers. We're going to tip the ends of the paper clip up, and we have a phone stand. Didn't cost hardly anything, pretty much almost free. Here we can clean a credit card with some toothpaste. Sometimes those credit card chips don't work at the store, and see how much dirt came off. We use the cards so much that they just get worn out. Here's a stain, a pretty nasty one. We're going to put toothpaste on it. Let it set. And toothpaste is really good for bleaching, especially if you have whitening toothpaste. For this one, we're going to clean the top of a cell phone with toothpaste. And it's very clean. If you have a hot glue gun and looks like a couple of sticks, can hot glue that bolt in. Something fun to do on a Saturday. We're going to cut a soda can with a razor blade. Be careful when you do this. Looks like he has a band-aid on his thumb. These are so fun to watch. I could just watch these all day long. Then you fit one into the other. So you're going to have the top and the bottom. You're going to hot glue it. Then you're going to put electrical tape around the top. Then you're going to get a drill holes in it. Okay, what do you think he's making? Can you guess? Drill another hole. Put one end in the hole. Hot glue it. You're going to put the other end in the aerosol can. You're going to press the bolt down, screw it in. Looks like we're going to spray something into the can. Ah, it made a flame. Oh, and the bolt even turns the volume up and down. That's great. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. I'm having a lot of fun. Here's a Colgate toothpaste tube. You're going to wipe out the inside whenever it's empty. There's so many things that you can recycle. We're going to cut it in half, fold it. We're going to trim it. We're going to cut little slits in the bottom. Okay, now we have another empty tube. Use a blade, but be careful. Looks like we're going to cut this one in half. And we're going to cut the little slots on the bottom. Okay, now we're going to get a marker and we're going to draw these shapes. Can anyone guess what you might be making? Scissors, cut them out. All right, got 4 of them. Now we're going to fold up this piece, back and forth. We're going to hot glue one end, hot glue the fold. Now we're going to fold it out. Oh, that's pretty. That makes like a bow. Okay, we're going to roll this one up. We're going to hot glue the end. And we're going to fan it out for the bow. We're going to hot glue the bow onto the flower, it looks like. The flower petals. Very nice. You could use those for like a barrette, or let's see what it's going to be, a bracelet. Fingernail polish. We're going to tie some wire around and make a circle. And we're going to hot glue the ring on the bottom. Looks like we just made a few rings. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe when you get a chance. I would really appreciate it. And we have more videos for you to watch. Just go to our playlist and you can keep watching them. Thank you so much. And we'll see you next time.